Dandruff. Just listening to that word makes you freak out, right? Imagine those annoying white flakes falling from your head onto your shoulders. It's so embarrassing. But the good news is I have a solution for you. Hi, my name is Lamia and today I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks that you can use to deal with dandruff. But before we start, if you're a newbie on the BeBeautiful platform, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Flaunting beautiful and strong hair is on every girl's wish list, right? So the first step you need to take is change your diet. For example, up the intake of omega-3 fatty acid rich foods such as salmons, walnuts, chia seeds. These food items not only help manage the oil production but also provide hydration to your hair. Consume probiotic rich foods like curd, cheese, etc. that will help enhance immunity and fight against fungal infections that cause dandruff. Also include foods like ginger, garlic, chickpeas, bananas and lots of water to your diet. If you have an oily scalp, sebum is produced at a faster pace, which means you need to wash your hair more often. Lack of regular washes result in accumulation of oils and dead skin cells that lead to dandruff. Hence, it's important to wash your hair at least a few times a week. While washing your hair is important, it's even more important to choose the right kind of shampoo. If you have dandruff, you should use an anti-dandruff shampoo that will fight against the flakes and dry scalp. This shampoo is great if you have dandruff as it contains ZPTO, which is clinically proven to be an anti-dandruff formula. Another great thing about this product is that it's mild, so you can actually use it every day. The unique formula of this product actually nourishes your hair right from root to tip, leaving it dandruff-free and beautiful. In addition to using the right kind of shampoo, a hot oil massage is also the quickest and most effective way to get rid of dandruff. Massaging with hot oil actually stimulates the scalp and helps get rid of any oil or dirt buildup. So here's how you go about with the hot oil treatment. Pour some oil into a glass bowl and microwave it for a few seconds. Make sure not to overheat it. Dip your fingers in the oil and use them to massage your scalp. Make sure to apply the oil and massage it well for about 10 to 15 minutes. Gently work the treatment over the head and be careful not to use your nails because that will scratch the sensitive skin of your scalp. Use the leftover oil to coat the rest of your hair. Now go ahead and cover your head with either a towel or a shower cap. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse out the oil with a shampoo. I generally leave the oil overnight and wash it the next morning. Do this on a weekly or bi-weekly basis for best results. Scratching is a natural reaction to an itchy scalp, but it's only temporary relief. Scratching your scalp can actually end up harming it more, causing inflammation and irritation, especially if you have long nails. So if you feel that your scalp is getting extremely dry or flaky, it's best to seek professional help. I hope you find these tips helpful. Wishing you all a happy, healthy scalp. For more such tutorials, beauty videos and guides, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful.